Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. So I wanted to let you all know about these three products that I've been using since dozen of days, and I'm totally in love with them. I mean, I'm not even exaggerating anything. It's like that I am in love with them. Because of face packs, I had a lot of acne breakouts, acne marks. But after using these three products from like on regular basis, yes, mark that you have to use all these three products on regular basis for around 15 to 20 days, and you will see the change by yourself. Okay, so the first product is this skin whitening face wash, which helps in the reduction of pigmentation and also tanning. Plus it's totally alcohol free. It's KAMREE skin whitening face wash. The product that I'm having is anti-acne face serum. It prevents acne breakouts, refines skin texture, and also kills acne causing bacteria. I mean, what else you need? And also you can apply moisturizer after that. The third face serum that I'm having here is from KAMREE. It contains 10% of niacinamide. It removes acne marks, and it reduces pigmentation, and also it reduces dark spots. You have to apply this serum twice a day. Personally recommend you all to use all these three products if you're having acne marks, pigmentation,